Hi guys, this is Balaji and you have come here. I would disappoint you. You are going to have a great learning over here. And all about this course is just learn LinkedIn with Balaji. As you can read it over here, it's learn LinkedIn with Balaji and it's just like you're going to learn a lot of stuff like using LinkedIn like a Swiss Army knife. If you see a Swiss Army knife, right, you have a lot of tools over here. You have this sharp tool, this is some nails tool, and you have a lot of stuff. So in the same way, I'm just going to help you on how you can use LinkedIn to the most and how what are the tactics that you use. And as a beginner, there are a lot of stuff that you should know about LinkedIn algorithm and how it works and how you can leverage this platform to create opportunities for you, bring in leads for you, or any kind of a thing. And this is going to be a masterpiece for the all those people. And as you can see over here, if you see this hashtags 1k startups, this is my goal for 2020, where I just want to help at least help people to start at least 1000 startups using my LinkedIn course, because LinkedIn is a place where you can find opportunities, collaborate with people, find great people, bring in people, converse with them, and a lot of stuff. You can share your thoughts, and it's just an amazing platform that has been designed, and it has been doing great since then. So this is what my goal for this one, and hope you all will support me achieving it. And you can find my personal website over here, and you can reach me on Instagram over here, and this is all the stuff. It's over here. And you might wonder, how will this course be? This course is just going to be very beginner friendly, and it's going to be complete hands on, right? I've seen a lot of people who just start explaining theory, and I'm not one of them who just start explaining theory. I'm one of them who just believes in practicality. So I'm just going to show you each and every stuff over on LinkedIn, and I'm going to show you why it happens, how to do it, how it happens, and what things you have to do to get good at LinkedIn and keep using it and help it to the best. And that's what all of this. And with that, I'm going to give real life examples. If I want to connect with any people, and if I want to show you how to do that, I'm just going on to this people's profile over here. And if it is like connection request, you just see he's from team Gary V, and he's from Texas at Dallas, and he's having 8 mutual connections, and you can just read through it. And he's working for Gary Vee for 2 years now, and he's Facebook community moderator. That's great. And if you want to connect with these people, right, you just have to write like, I just love the stuff that Gary V. Yes, you can just put it here. Gary V spreads speaks about. I am really glad that had you have got an opportunity to work with him. I would like to have conversations ahead. So this is what I'm going to like. If you're going to connect to anyone, which you would learn in further lessons, you're not just going to just click the connect. You are going to use this add note, and I will explain why and how to write these things based on the profile of people. And you get only 300 characters, so you should be very concise and precise. So I would be teaching you a lot of stuff and tricks on this podcast, on this video series of this LinkedIn course. So I'm just showing one of the things on how practically I would be showing you. So if I want to connect with this person, right, I'm going to write a message like this, which is in sync with this profile, and just send a connection request. You just saw me sending a connection request to this person. So I'm just going to show you in this practical way how you are going to do. So it's going to be a great course. And after that, LinkedIn is a tool, right? It requires a lot of practice, and you should just keep on practicing and experimenting. It's nothing like there is a formula for this. Many people say there is a LinkedIn algorithm, but basically the algorithm is nothing but how it functions, how it reacts. They are just the perceptions how people are taking it, and there is nothing called as a LinkedIn algorithm perfectly written over there saying that if you do this, this is going to happen, if you do this, this is going to happen. There's nothing like that. It's just a perception and a creation of people based on their experience. So to get that experience, you have to experiment, and this is a tool where you have to practice and experiment. And also, it's really great. The LinkedIn is doing really awesome, and I would like to just show you some things about LinkedIn. And if I just come over here and go to this stats website that I really like, that they have given some mind-blowing facts about LinkedIn, and a lot of stuff. I've gone through a lot of stuff for this video course, and I have a lot of resources over there which would definitely help you getting started with LinkedIn. Even if you are a beginner, you're going to ace it. Like you will be among the top users of LinkedIn, and you would be doing it really awesome. Believe me, enjoy you. If you are with me with the throughout this course, you would be definitely in a better position, and you would be able to ace the LinkedIn journey. And if you see, my main motivation coming over here is that a lot of people, right? So a lot of people don't know how to use LinkedIn, just because there are no perfect courses over there how LinkedIn works. Because if you want to learn anything, there should be someone experienced and already had some hands on that thing to explain. I have gone through a lot of websites and courses. I didn't find a beginner friendly course that promises outcomes, that promises steps that you will implement. There are no courses out there which shows you if you do this you're going to get this, and also helping you to implement the same along with me. So I would be practically doing it over there on my screen, so you would be doing the same, practicing it on your profile. So it's just a following stuff, and it would be very easy, and you would learn a lot of stuff doing that, right? So also, that coming to that, I am going to give you a course structure very soon. So it would be in the description, or and if you're watching on YouTube, it will be in the description, or you can check it out in the resources if you're watching anywhere else. So I'm just going to have this kind of a thing, this doc file where you can have access to the LinkedIn and this course, as well as to the Facebook group that we are going to have where discussions takes place. And also you will have all the course instructions and the course lessons that you would like to have it over there. And this is all you will be getting it that too. And also the thing is, like, you will be implementing it along with me as I do. So it's just like the building the practice. The first time if you build the practice, you are going to do it very good the next time. So for first time when I do it on the screen, you are just going to copy me and do the same and implement the same on for your profile. And the thing is, like, there's no course like this over there. I've done a lot of research for finding it for myself when I was just starting up with LinkedIn an year back. So I just thought, why not create the same when I had now I've been using LinkedIn for 1.5 year now. So I thought, like, why not help people who are getting started now, so that they can just get started and get the most out of this platform by understanding how it works, and how you should be doing things so that you get the most out of it. So these are all the things. And the thing is, like, there are no set of rules, hard and fast rules saying that if you do this, this will happen. So these are all based on my personal experiences that I've done. And I'm glad that you are present over here, so that I'm going to share it with you and help you out on starting up with that, so that you don't repeat the mistakes that I have done, right? I've got the experience, so that I will just share the best things that are possible, and I will mark things that you should not do as well, so that if you don't follow that, you should not do things that you should don't do, right? I will also tell you the do's and don'ts, so that it would be very easy for you to take up the stuff and keep going with the progress. So also I thought to make this course paid. So but the thing after that, I got in mind is that there are a lot of students over there who just want to do this stuff. But the thing is, like, students even if they have money, they're not going to spend it on educational content or something like that. So they would rather go for a movie. The thing is, like, students just don't realize at that point, but afterwards they just realize when it's too late. So I thought, like, let's make it free, let's put it for everyone, just get started, start getting opportunities. And it's just the goodwill that I would be getting out in the future when you ace the LinkedIn and LinkedIn usage, and you get in opportunities. If you drop in a small message as well saying, Balaji, your course has helped me, I've gotten opportunities, I've been using LinkedIn for some time now, these are my stats, I've been getting good engagements, or any kind of stuff that you have achieved, if you would be telling me and wishing the same, so if you would be sending me a message, I would that would just mean a lot for me, because that's what I'm looking for uh, through this course. And a lot of value is going to come, and through this, while using the LinkedIn in a right way, you're going to gain a lot of value, a lot of inbound opportunities, right? If you have a good profile, the visibility is good, the digital presence is good, you are going to get the opportunities inbound. You're not going to apply for opportunities, because you have put on everything that you have, and people are going to look at that, and if they feel that you are the right candidate, or they are interested in working with you, they will be reaching you out. So it kinds of solves a lot of overhead of sending out emails, chatting with them on separate social media platforms. It's just like that. So LinkedIn has made it very easy, and it's just one of the most powerful professional networks over there. And you can find a lot of people on LinkedIn, whoever, you can find all the C-level executives or anyone. And the power of LinkedIn is that you can reach anyone and everyone in this world if they're present on LinkedIn, if you do it the right way, right? I would be explaining what is this right way in our next video in this course. So you in one sentence you would be able to apply anything that I say in this video course on to your personal life and your LinkedIn personal account. So it's like a great gift for you at this point of time, because there is no content out there that produces results in this way, and there is no anyone who are taking that much time from their because when you get a lot of opportunities, your life becomes so much busy. And people with lot of experience on LinkedIn, they are not creating the LinkedIn courses explaining the practical ways how to go on web, and how to just work on this platform. So I just wanted to clear this off right now, and I want people to learn this and ace it and just get going and have a wonderful uh, LinkedIn profile and get in opportunities, change their life, change your life, having a great life ahead. So you should not struggle for opportunities, because there is, after getting digital, the world has become so great that it's just on your phone or on your laptop. It's just taking out time and just a couple of clicks and using your brain, right? So that's what this is. And if you see it over here, it's 2:12. That's not afternoon, that's in the night. Why I shoot in the night is, like, there's a lot of silence in the atmosphere, because during the morning there's a lot of disturbance, so while recording it would come it over there. So just for that stuff, I'm going to shoot the whole video course in the nights. So it's just 2 a.m. in the morning that I'm shooting this intro. So hope I'm taking a lot of time for you guys, and trying to help you out. So keep supporting me, because I'm trying to revolutionize this thing and help people get started with LinkedIn, because there is no pre course, any of the course that helps beginners to ace the LinkedIn game, and this is all completely free as well. That's what I wanted to say, and I'm really pumped up. I'm super excited even at 2 a.m. in the morning. That's 2:13 in the morning, and I hope that you would have a great learning and you can implement a lot of stuff. And this is just going to be a revolutionary stuff. And you mark my words, after using and applying the things that I say in this for a couple of months, you just realize that you have had the best course in life. The that that feeling you would definitely have, and I would definitely say that you reach out to me and say that stuff, because mark my words, I'm definitely sure that this is going to be a wonderful course ahead. So I'm super excited, and I hope to see you in the next video lessons. This is all for this introduction, and I try to make it short, but I think it has gone for some while. And this is Balaji, and bye guys.